Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar Canadian. Okay, I'm gonna do a really quick video here. Using a simple set. Hopefully, this will help some of the traders having some issues. Simple setup, Bollinger Band. Every trading platform pretty much has this. You can use it as a breakout or a range bound. My friend Pablo has a video. He's got tons of trading setups. Most trading platforms have these indicators already in them, so you really don't have to pay for anything that you don't want to. A lot of these setups are free. So we'll scroll down to 7 months, and you'll find this setup, and he'll explain how it works. And there's some other setups like this is the inside bouncer, and then you'll have I think he's got an outside bouncer. Scroll down through some of these indicators, maybe you can find a setup and give it a shot. They definitely work, and he's very helpful. And there's so many. Look at these strategies, and this is not even. I didn't click on all of them. So there's tons of setups here. Again, it's Pablo at the indicator store, and he's very, very helpful. Okay, traders. So let's get back into the US dollar Canadian. Okay, we just grabbed 200 pips. We closed out 201 and about 70 because we took two entries with this. One entry was the ATR bar color. The other entry was the Bollinger Band setup, which was this is the ATR bar color entry here on the dollar Canadian, and then the other one was the Bollinger Band setup, which you see at 3104. Okay, traders. So if you need some help, or I'll try to help you out as best as I can. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. I trade the 2040 strategy, and I use that trade management a lot. I use my UTP all the time when trading, automated or manual, or manually trading. The UTP is pretty much all you need as for education and trading. A lot of it's mental, closing positions beforehand, before the targets and stuff like that. Over trading, over leveraging. There's a lot of things. You also have to have a trading plan. And if you don't get, I'll give you a tip, traders. If you're having issues with entries, and when you enter the trade and it goes against you right away, I'm trying to fix this, sorry. What you could do is just say you're going to trade a mini lot. You're going to trade one mini lot. Okay, instead of trading that one mini lot, take that mini lot and break it up. For instance, take that mini lot, instead of trading one mini lot, break that mini lot, take a third of that, take three micro lots into the position, traders. Then after that, if it starts to go against you, but remember you were initially going to trade the one mini lot, now enter the second mini lot, the micro lot, sorry, traders, at 3. Okay, and then if it's still going against you, you can kind of average out your price, and then look for another entry. For your third, will be 4 micros, and take it like that, because it'll average your price out, and you're still trading the same amount, but you're getting a better average price. So if you're having issues with entry points, try that and see if that will work for you. Okay, traders, and I will also update you with the live trading that I did with the FOMC with this pair, which was still in the trade as I currently speak right now. So, and then also I'll be putting out a video of me catching 20 pips, trying to show you traders that it's not that difficult to catch 20 pips per day if you try to stick to a plan where you just catch 20 pips and then you quit. I mean, I have, when you're struggling, try that. See if you can, catch 20 pips. Now, I use a pair that's a Great British Pound JPY, and I trade it at a certain time, a time window, and and I'll show you in a video of how I grab these 20 pips using the UTP and the 2040 strategy trade management. Okay, because I'm using my UTP. I'm not using any kind of T3 tilts and crossovers or anything like that on this chart, but I'm using support and resistance. I'm using trend direction. Sometimes I'm using just straight education from the UTP. She's here right here, trend line break, stuff like that. And then you'll see, how I catch his 20 pips, 20 again, 2 pips positive. The stop came back on me. A loss of 10 pips, missed the big run here. 20 pips, 20 pips, lost 25 pips. Because you're going to lose. You have to lose in order to win, traders. Missed the big, huge run right here. 20 pips here, 20 pips. And I'll show you in a video when I do it, finish up the video. And you'll see how, just try to capture 20 pips and just, try to build on that. Okay, traders? And then also in my videos that I post, you'll see the best times to trade and which pairs are moving and the hours that they're moving. Now, some traders can't trade the 2040, so you can also do a possible with swing trading as well. So I'll update you with that the videos of that probably sometime this week, because I'm going to take the rest of the week off after the Aussie news. I think I made a trade on the Aussie Euro. I'm still waiting for a pullback. I'm going to be looking to take because the Aussie look like it may get some strength. We'll see. We'll see. But we're done trading for the week. We are done. We had an awesome week. My private funds were all limited out, and we're good to go. Again, once you learn this, traders, no one can take it away from you, because a chart is a chart is a chart, period. Okay, so that UTP is all you really need. Okay, again, there are some other software companies out there which I do use, but I still use my education with any setup that I use. Back to the Future Trading, which is the Power Zone and the Trend Stalker Elite, and I use some automated strategies. That's another thing. And if you're can't pull the trigger on some of these trades, maybe an auto trader with a time window on it, with a decent setup, will work for you. Like something like this, the ATR bar color, it's on a time window. It has a limit of profit and loss. Sometimes some traders can't pull the trigger, on trades, and this could, this is also can help you out. It has its benefits and disadvantages. That's with anything, traders. All right, so again, I rely on my education when trading any trading strategy, and like I said, you'll see when I update you with the 20 pip challenge. To capture 20 pips. If you capture 20 pips a day, you quit. And just try to build on that. Because if you try to be greedy and overtrade, that's when you get in trouble. All right, traders, so I'll update you with the FOMC. If you need some help, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Send me an email, comment on the video. I'll get back to you, and we'll see if we can, get you profitable. All right, so I'm out, and here's the video. Okay, we're at the Canadian dollar. We have the risk. I'm going to take one of the lots off, so at least we don't get barrage just in case, but we don't want to lose 60 pips.
Order filled.
Okay, so we close out with 60 on that one. Now, any other circumstances, I would just leave it on. But, you know, sometimes with the uncertainty, you know, you want to definitely close that out. Plus, with the Bollinger Band here, it's overextended. All right, traders. So we're having a decent day today. And again, I have a lot of positions on the MT4 platform. Those, you know, I'm just going to leave. Even though we're up. I think my best entry is 30.93. Big time pippage on the US dollar Canadian. Huge pippage. I just took a quick glance at my MT4. Holy mackerel. That's pretty much the end of the video, traders. Thanks for watching, and good luck trading. Again, if you need information on Market Traders Institute, Back to the Future Trading, or the Indicator Store, just hit me up. Also, the 2040 strategy walkthrough. Let me show you the. Let me go to my YouTube channel. I'll show you that really quick. It's a good video. Which is, I believe I may have it on a playlist. Let me see if I can find it without the playlist first. Right here, this video right here, the 2040 forum walkthrough. It tells you about the 2040 strategy and stuff like that. And like I said, I have a lot of content on here, so you can check out. But this video is good to see all the strategies that Earl Henley had and stuff like that. Okay, traders, so this is a really good video. It shows you all different kind of trade setups. All right, so stay profitable. Again, more content, a ton of videos on here of trading, more strategies that I use and stuff like that. All right, traders, so stay profitable, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.